Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. There is this famous dish called Sajji in Balochistan where meat is marinated using very few spices. And now, inspired from this recipe, I've come up with my own version, so let's see how to make it. So here I have a whole bird which is weighing about 1 kilo. I'm giving a few deep cuts to the meat because I want the marinade to go deep inside. Let's prepare the marinade. For the marinade, I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, a teaspoon of pepper powder, a tablespoon of coarsely crushed coriander seeds, a teaspoon of coarsely crushed cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of the Achari Masala, some salt to taste. Let's mix this well. To this we're going to add half a cup of vinegar. Make a nice paste of this. And 1/4 cup of oil. And our marinade is ready. Let's apply the marinade to the chicken. I'm going to just put a little extra of it into the cuts. Put some of the marinade in the cavity as well. Now rest the meat for at least 5 to 6 hours. The more, the better. So there are different ways of grilling this. You either grill it on your barbecue, but I'm going to show you a technique that can be done on your gas stove. So here I have a kadai, and in this kadai, I'm going to just put some potatoes here which I have cut into halves. Just rub some salt on them. And now we're going to place this marinated bird right on top of the potatoes. Now I'm going to just add half a cup of water from the sides, not disturbing the chicken. And now I'm going to simply cover this and cook this on a medium to low flame. So we kept the chicken to cook for almost 30 to 35 minutes on a medium to low flame, and it's done. Now let's plate this beautiful dish. And the sajji is ready to be served. You can serve it with some nice parathas. It's an easy recipe. Do try it. Let me know and keep watching Get Curried.